Hey there, this is Heidi from Create with Heidi, and today I'm going to show you a fun out-of-the-box 18th birthday gift. For this project, I'll be using 2 sheets of sticker vinyl, 2 sheets of cardstock, and 3 different colors of vinyl, 2 of which come from the economical series of vinyl. First thing I'm going to do is get the stickers printed and cut so that this project can get rolling. I am loading up my mat first with my stickers so that I can put it through my machine and get the lines cut around each of the stickers. You can also see on the right side, I have all of my materials cut down to the size I need them to be so that everything is prepped and ready to go for cutting, and I don't have to juggle rolls of vinyl while I'm trying to work on this project. Okay, now that my stickers are cut, I'm going to flip my mat over and roll the mat away from my sticker paper so I can keep the integrity of that sticker paper fully intact and don't risk creasing or ripping my stickers. When I cut this economical vinyl, I used the premium vinyl hollow threads setting in Cricut Design Space. When I remove my vinyl from the mat, I use that same technique to avoid the creases and rolling of the vinyl. Now that everything is cut, I'm going to weed my letters and then move on to putting my vinyl on the cardstock that I'm using for this project. Okay, now that I have all of my vinyl weeded, I'll be transferring my first thing of vinyl over to the orange cardstock. All right, now that I have all of the vinyl transferred to the cardstock, I'm going to be using this cheap picture frame that I got from the dollar store. I need to trim down this 8.5 by 11 just a little bit so that it fits in that frame. So I'm going to use my paper trimmer to trim that down real quick so that I can get this piece of the project finalized. Okay, now that I have that all done, I can set this aside and start working on the next piece of the project. The next piece of the project is going to be putting all of my stickers on these various items that I have to go with these sayings of what you can do now that you're 18. Okay, now that I have all of my stickers on each of the items, I am going to arrange the items back in this wooden crate so that they are ready to go and be gifted to the 18-year-old. The last thing I need to do is put this note right on the front of the crate, and then this project is done. Thank you so much for watching.